What's up, you guys? Josh here, Great Moments Break Lounge. A little evening football box busting. 2019 Panini Impeccable football box break. This is a nice, super high-end box. These things go $575, $600 a box. So I'm gonna have some fun with this one. I think, well, hopefully, right? So, all right. I guess first things first. Let's go ahead and get numbers randomized. Everything in these boxes is, even the base cards, numbered to 75 or less. So very limited. Again, should be a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and get our serial numbers figured out. What? Hang on 1 second. There we are. So as always, we're going to roll our dice 3 times. It's 1 roll, 2 rolls, 3 rolls. We got 9. So we're going to go ahead and randomize the names 9 times. Sorry, bear with me just 1 sec. We'll get over to the names. Alright, cool. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's pop over to the list randomizer again. We're going to randomize 9 times. 9 times. Ferris Bueller, anybody? No? Alright. Alright, 9 times. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 more, 9. Here we go. We got Lance number 1, Danny 2, Curtis 3, Dave 4 and 5, Scott 6, Danny 7, Devin 8, Mike 9, Mr. Word with number 0. What do I need to do here? Right. Pop the here. Bear with me just a second. Let's get all our numbers in here. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. What's up, Curtis? Mr. Petrecca, what's going on? John, who's your football team again? If you were to root for a football team, obviously you're a big Braves fan. Oh, you're a Panthers guy, right? Because of Cam. All right, let's get right into it. Let's get started. What's up, Dan the man? I have yet to see any of these in person, so I'm excited. Here's all this nonsense. I put a bunch of blockers in the bottom of the box. There, we're gonna try and find a way to, well, let's open the pack first and then we'll try and hide them a little bit. There we are. All right. I guess you guys can't, definitely can't see the numbers on them, so we'll see what we have here. All right. Our base card is going to Scott Roan. We got a Joe Namath, number 56 of 75. Gorgeous looking base card. Kind of has the, well, what was that product? Had the paint kind of going on in the background, a little paint splash, kind of similar look. I cannot remember the name of that product to save my life. All right, moving on. Next card, Noah Fant, number 16 of 75. Denver Broncos, got a nice 3-color patch, an auto. That's also going to Scott Roan. Congrats, Scott. Right. Go Brian Burns, 16 of 99. Scott Roan, get out of here. Nice auto rookie. I will say I'm a little bit disappointed that there are sticker autographs in here in such a high-end product. David Montgomery, 13 of 75. That's going to Curtis. And again, a nice 3-color patch. Nice auto. Congrats, Curtis. We've got Mike Ditka. This is a nice on-card. Number 4 of 5. Going to Dave Simmon. Victory signature. Super Bowl 20. Very nice on-card signature. Again, number 4 of 5 for Dave Simmon. Congrats, Dave. Ooh, Lance. Lance. Oh, do I even... Let's see what we have here. It's a 1 of 1, and you see the Chiefs logo. Patrick Mahomes, 1 of 1 printing plate. Congratulations, Lance. Very cool. Signature right there on the plate. Let me flip that around. Once again, 1 of 1. Congrats, Lance. Very cool. Moving on. Number 41 of 75. Also going to Lance. Deontay Johnson. Looks like you got some jersey patch and maybe a piece of nice shiny piece. I don't know if that's a helmet shell. Nice on-card autograph as well. Pittsburgh Steelers rookie Deontay Johnson. Going to Lance. Not as cool as Pat Mahomes, I know. And then John Word, and Carolina Panther Christian McCaffrey, number 40 of 50. Last card going to you, buddy. What's up, Nick? What's going on? So you got 1 card, John, and it's your team. And a darn good player. Probably MVP so far, right? So let's run through these guys one more time. I'm gonna, of course, save Pat for last there. So we had the Deontay Johnson, 41 of 75. David Montgomery, 13 of 75. Nice hit for Curtis. We had the Brian Burns for Scott Roan, 16 of 99. Also for Scott Roan, Noah Fant, 16 of 75. And also for Scott Roan, 56 of 75, Joe Namath base. And then our 2 big boys, so we had our Mike Ditka, number 4 of 5 for Dave Simmon. Nice on-card auto there. And then the big hitter, Patrick Mahomes, 1 of 1 printing plate. So congrats again to Lance. So, thank you guys very much. I don't know if you saw, we did get some more National Treasures baseball. I posted another box of those. It's box break number 8. We actually have 2 more, so it could be box break 8 and 9. They're there on the Great Moments Break Lounge Facebook group page. Comment in to claim your spot there. And we will see you guys soon. I'm actually off tomorrow, so hopefully... hey, Steve, what's up, man? No, probably not. Quite honestly, the biggest thing there is the time it takes to sort all of that stuff. It's no fun, if I'm being honest with you. But do keep an eye out for, like I said, the more National Treasures. We may do some gold label. I really don't know. We'll look at update. We may. I know they're selling or pre-selling like hotcakes, and they'll be in sometime tomorrow. Even though I won't, but hopefully we can open some National Treasures on Thursday. So I look forward to that, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you all very much. Congrats again to Lance on the Mahomes 1 of 1. Pretty darn cool. So thank you guys again. We'll see you next time. Take care.